Are you ready to embark on a quest filled with unexpected twists, mighty victories, and the occasional leaky villain? Well, dive into this house-flipping odyssey and stand witness as we transform chaos into triumph. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell before you leave. Don't forget, I will be posting every Monday and every Friday of every week, so stay tuned. Welcome back to my YouTube Talks. I'm glad to see that you've decided to join the adventure. Today, I will continue the saga through the wild lands of home renovation where things can sneak up on you when you least expect it. Behold, my loyal companion. This side now boasts majestic armor, the new siding. And if homes had battle gear, this would be a suit forged by the gods of improvement themselves. It's not just a makeover, it's an epic transformation, right? Now, I have to tell you the importance of trimming branches from, let's say, an old oak tree. It's essential for its health. Old trees can develop weak or dead branches that pose a high danger during storms or even high winds. So it's really important to have regular maintenance because it helps ensure that the tree remains vigorous and less susceptible to pests and diseases. So here you can see we've actually trimmed the big oak tree. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful it is now. It so shines. Oh, looks gorgeous. So also for property value, a well-maintained tree can significantly enhance the visual appeal of a home. Cutting back excessive growth allows the tree's natural beauty to shine, and it creates a more inviting atmosphere for those potential buyers or any visitors. Also, keep in mind, it's important to be very safe when trimming a tree. It's probably better to hire a company or somebody that actually knows what they're doing. So don't try this at home. Let's venture inside to witness the rise of our utility stronghold. Think of it as the fortress of functionality, where the washer, dryer, and hot water heater plot their grand schemes. Intriguing, right? Well, these walls will stand as guardians of productivity. Look at that. New walls up for the utility room. Can't beat that. Still a little white. Think it needs some, what's that called? Oh yeah, finishing, right? Let's check this one out one more time and see what happened in the last few minutes. Here we go. Are you ready? Entering again. Let's see. What did we call this? The fortress where the washer, the dryer. Oh my goodness. I think all the drywall's up now. Look at that. It's all closed up. Isn't that amazing? I was just in here a few minutes ago. I promise. Wow. There's the hot water heater in the corner there. Wow, I can't believe this. This is insane. He did it so quick. Wow, look at that. I can't believe it. That's amazing. I'm excited to see what the washer and dryer and the hot water heater all put together looks like in there. So take in the sight of fine craftsmanship as drywall magic unfolds. It's a true symphony of some mud and tape. Oh, and look at that, another wall. It's a small one though, just a divider basically for the refrigerator and stove. A little design technique there. We'll get to that more later on when it gets to be finished. But this is no ordinary construction, right? It's a masterpiece in progress. All the mud and tape in this room as well. It's shaping our humble abode into a dwelling fit for, let's say, royalty, right? Well, maybe not that far, but it's fit for people to live in it for sure. What do you think? And now look at that. The tub is perfectly fit in the corner. Yay. And we had to open up some of the drywall back up down here on the bottom because we got to prepare for some more plumbing. But you can see all the drywall is up and all the mud and tape has begun. So still got a lot of mudding and taping to do, but you know, at least it got started. Oh, and this was a big mess over here. He did a wonderful job on that one. It's not quite done yet. Still needs some sanding and stuff like that, but looks much better than it did before. And check out the ceiling there. Looks good. And the hallway here looks good. He did a really nice job in this pink room over here. Look at that. Mud and tape galore. Yup. Nice straight nail lines, right? You always wonder how they do that so perfectly, you know, on the 2x4. It's awesome. This one needs a little more work here, but getting closer and closer. And here's the red room. And the ceiling is got some mud and tape on it too. There we go. Yep. And let's go to the bathroom here. Oh, there's some more mud and tape in the hallway. Yep, they did a little bit in the bathroom. And yep, it looks like the ceiling is good to go too for the most part anyways. But what's this? A sinister leak has breached our defenses. Fear not, for every hero faces a worthy adversary. With might and ingenuity, we embark on a mission to banish this watery intruder. Do you remember when I advised you in the first video of unlocking secrets of real estate flipping about how important it is to have that stack of cash aside for those unexpected surprises? Well, now would be the time to use it. No time for picture taking when the leak was actually happening, so don't have real footage of that. But witness the triumph of craftsmanship. The leak has been vanquished, and the roof stands strong once more. It's a victory for the ages. No more rain where the sun should shine. What I learned from this challenge was that when you repair the roof on one side, you should always be sure to have them walk the entire roof, because you never know what was hiding from the previous owners. And look at that, you can see the final result of the roof repair. Looks nice and tidy, right? So far, we faced challenges bold and discovered triumphs untold. Remember, in this epic tale of transformation, every obstacle conquered only adds to our legend. What a journey this week. And there will for sure be more to come on this reno. So keep your eyes peeled for those notifications. Thanks for joining me. And if you missed my last update on this reno, click here to your left and you can catch up. May your hammer be mighty and your duct tape be loyal.